crashed into my car. What is the deal, YouTube, man? This is not a video I really want to be making right now, but this dude crashed into my car, bro. I don't really want to show y'all the damage. It's not bad, but I'm not gonna lie. I teared up a little bit, man. I was sad. I teared up a little bit because this is my baby, bro. I love this car. I love it so much, and I shouldn't have an emotional connection to something like this. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, it's just, this is materialistic stuff, so I shouldn't have an emotional connection to this car the way I do. But I'm not gonna lie, man, it really hit home when he hit this car. I did shed a tear, not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I did shed a tear, man. But he's in this big super duper ass truck, man, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. This is the damage to the car, man. This is it. It's the quarter panel is pushed in. Hopefully the body lines, hopefully nothing messed up with the axle, man. And this is the truck that did it. I'm not, all right, I can't say I'm not mad about it. Clearly I'm mad. I'm a little upset about it. I'm a little frustrated because I was minding my business, y'all. I was literally driving in the left lane. I was in the slow lane, literally driving in the slow lane, right? And as I'm driving in the slow lane, bro comes from the third lane, the fast lane, comes all the way over, just boom, beat me. And if somebody's about to hit you, you don't move out the way and hit somebody else, because there was a car on the side of me. So I'm like, bro, I'm not hitting this car on the side of me. So I just balled up, held the steering wheel tight, and I just took it. I couldn't stop. It was in my side mirror. By the time he hit me, I couldn't stop. There was nothing I could do. It sent the car flying up in the air. I was like, I was sick. I was sick. I will say the car took it like a champ. It handled, but I was sick, man. I'm still sick. Man, this is the second accident in the M5, y'all. Second accidents, and neither one of them are my fault. Neither one of them are my fault. You know what I'm saying? This is probably just karma for all the other accidents that I have caused in the past and caused inconveniences on other people's life. So it's probably what it is. I ain't really tripping. Can't really do nothing right now. We're currently waiting on the police, but it is what it is, man. So I love y'all. And value your stuff, man. Just value your stuff, take care of your stuff. But if stuff like this happen, don't get upset. Don't be discouraged, y'all. We're gonna bounce back, and we're gonna bounce back even harder than what we are now, bro. We gonna come back crazy, bro. It's just a minor setback. It's just a minor setback. That's all it is, man. All right, y'all. Cops pulled up. They're here right now, so trying to get the accident report. Signal. Downtown Detroit, my phone tripping. Ain't no signal. Hey! What's the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Well, not even another video. Welcome on to later on in this video. As y'all saw yesterday, somebody did crash into my car. So you know what the first thing I did this morning? I'm going to a collision shop. We're going to get the car fixed, man. I cannot be walking around, driving around, looking around in a car like this, bro. And it's not that bad, honestly. It's not that bad. But the car is too expensive to just be like, you know, driving around with it beat up. Even if you got a Honda, you're supposed to take care of your stuff, and you're not supposed to be driving it around beat up. You know what I'm saying? So we headed to the collision shop right now. He about to give me an estimate. He gonna tell me what's up, and I think I'm gonna drop the car off. I don't think I'm gonna drop the car off today. I think I'm gonna drop it off on Tuesday or Monday. I don't know because I ain't got nobody to really help me. You know what I'm saying? I got to do all this on my own. So it's just kind of like a convenience thing. And your boy, no way my lips is this ashy, bro. Hold on. All right, we are back, and the lips is not ashy no more. User mark ahead. A little gloss on them. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, man, we are about to pull up to the collision shop, so I guess I'll pick up the camera when I get there, and we're gonna go talk to my mans, and we're gonna see what he want to do. All right, yo, we have just arrived here to the collision shop. These are the same people who fixed my car last time, and they did a good job. Because as y'all know, bro, this is the second time somebody done hit my car, bro. I don't know, whoever out there wishing bad on me, can y'all please stop? I just want to make YouTube videos and content and stuff. That's all I want to do. I don't want no smoke with nobody. I just want to make content. And I think this wheel is rubbing because it kind of smells like rubber. Hell yeah, it is. Damn, bro, I just got that tire. All right, let's go in here and get my man's. See what he on. Forward, do
They said he should be coming up here. He told me to wait. I already called him on the phone.
Okay, I'll check it.
Okay.
All right, y'all. I'm going to get a haircut now. Y'all see it? Do y'all see the haircut? Crispy.
Yo, my appointment is at 2 o'clock. Oh, really? It was at 1. What time was it? It was at 1:50. But you get 10 minutes, so I'm about to walk in right now. We almost there.
Ice cream.
All right, y'all. We done made it to the Apple store. They let me check in, but as y'all know, it's literally just the back of the phone. And I'm over here looking at phone cases because maybe I just need to get a phone case. Maybe I need to be smart so I don't break another phone. But all these phone cases are buns. So I don't know, man, but I'm just waiting on somebody to come see me. I think they're gonna give me a whole new phone. I also just backed my phone up. So I'll talk to y'all when somebody get out here and they come talk to me. All right, yo, well, bad news. They did not have the part in stock for the back of the phone because all they had to replace was the back, so they were gonna like change the screens and stuff out. But they did not have the part in stock, so that means I have a broken phone until they get the part in stock. She said it could take up to 5 to 7 days just to get the part in, so I guess my phone's just broke until further notice. And I'm going back to the car. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm tired. I'm about to go home. And I got to make one more stop after this. What's the deal, guys, man? It has been a couple days since I last seen y'all. And we are here currently at the collision shop. And we are dropping off the M5. So it's goodbye to the M5 for now, until further notice. But I did want to give y'all an update about what's going on, man. I thank y'all for staying tuned, watching all the videos, man, and liking it up. And we reached 1K subscribers, so I'm so happy for that, man. I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And if this is the last clip, peace. I'll see y'all later. But if not, I'll see y'all in the next clip.